Hey guys, good morning. So there is a big gap down here. I have exited P with some loss, weekly sales, but still our monthly protected our loss. So this kind of situations are rare. We cannot do much, but still, let's see what has happened to. Yesterday I was at 73,000, but I have exited 16th March position with some loss, but our monthly see I exited with 43,000 loss in that leg at somewhere at 238. I have sold it at 62. So there was a pretty heavy loss on that, but still the monthly protected and we are at 68,000 from 73 yesterday. It moved to 78 also one point. So it is still we are about 3%. But yeah, this kind of things happen sometimes. And there was a low weeks and this sudden gap down has exploded the premium at weekly, and we have otherwise we would win some more good profit. Let's see what we can do now. So I have just exited the sell leg, but still the buy leg is there. So if I just exit buy leg, I mean in the reversal, I think I'll exit buy leg now because there is a support here, but it has broken the first support, and there is a support here. If it reverses and comes up, I'll start selling the P again above this point. Until then, I'll not sell P. But yeah, I think if it makes 15 minutes candle app, I'll sell because the premium is little good now because the VIX is gone little high. So we can sell the P until it breaks this level. If it comes below this, we have to start selling C because the straddle was at 4400 when we have taken. So that's how, yeah, that's the beauty of combo because we have not lost much. We are still in sub profit, I mean decent profit. Otherwise, if it is only weekly, we would have lost all the profits. And yeah, I mean this kind of gap downs we cannot avoid. That happens sometimes. So how much it gap down? Some 41 200 to 4800, somewhere around 400 points gap down, and immediately I've exited the PE weekly sell because whenever there is a gap down, panic situation, and there is a high chances it comes down further. So let's see if we can if it reverses from here, and if we find a good chart pattern to the upside, we'll sell the P. If it is going further down, we'll start selling C from the weekly also to increase our profit. So otherwise, if I just take out this plus 2000 here, so 23,000, 22,000 to be lost to the downside. And what we can do, we can bring this leg closer monthly. So if I bring the like yeah, it's 29 closer further up. So from here we can bring 20 around 30 points. Yeah, until this point, if I bring the P by monthly leg 5 lots, and I'll just unselect this and minus 36,000, right, plus 2000, so somewhere around 35,000 you can minus from this. So we'll be still in the some 4 5,000 minus to the downside, then we can start selling P upside. Or if you bring further close, so 35, so 12,000 locked to the up, and 1.3 is locked to the upside. We are minusing that whatever loss in this leg, right? So that's the reason I'm saying 1.2. And we can start selling CEL. So if it goes up, if not, so let all the legs be there. Let the P buy also. Probably we can exit this also. So I mean it's a little far away, and we don't have to wait till the expiry happens. I mean, it will become zero. You can exit at some point. If there is strong breakdown, you can keep and gain some profit from this also. If it breaks down, we don't have to exit that immediately. We can still keep for some more time and gain the whatever little profit we get from this. So there are little, I mean, there's are all the hints or tricks to increase the profitability. See, there was a big gap down. If it is only weekly, definitely we would have lost. See, our profit is further gone high, 73,000, because there is no P sell. That's why this is started giving profit now, and we lose some amount from here. That is still okay. And if you get it in a cheaper price, like 5, 10 rupees, you can still come closer. 33, no. Okay. If it is 183, could have, even if it's going down, it could have come further up. But when is a reversal, so 30 20 you can give and come closer in the monthly. I hope you understand this logic. So this is the beauty of combo.